Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to check the specs of your laptop or PC in Windows 11. First, you need to go to the Start button, click on Start button, go to the Settings option here, click on Settings. After opening the settings, you have to go to the System option here. Then, after opening the System option, scroll down. At the last, you will see the option of About. Click on About and you can see the specs of your PC and laptop here, like the Windows specification, the device specification, and the related things here. You can also see the storage and the graphic card and install RAM and processor here. I hope this video has helped you. If it does, then please like and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.